clean air, water, food, increases as the population increases and living standards rise. But the Earth's ability to provide these services is declining because of the way we're living.
Away from consumerism and individualism and the domination of nature, and more towards questions of the quality of life and the ecological sensibility and human.
A country like America has 4 times the amount of food that it needs. When people talk about the need to increase global food production to feed those 9 billion people that are expected on the planet by 2050, I always think of these graphs. The fact is we have an enormous buffer in rich countries between ourselves and hunger. We've never had such gargantuan surpluses before. In many ways, this is a great success story of human civilization, of the agricultural surpluses that we set out to achieve 12,000 years ago. It is a success story. It has been a success story. But what we have to recognize now is that we are reaching the ecological limits that our planet can bear.
And we take our trips to outer space, and we look back, we see an integral blue planet. We don't see imaginary lines of states. And so that this globalism, this sense of the Earth as a natural unit for a human organization and identity, is some ways more profound than are the imaginary boundaries of nation state.
We can't see human activity as something that we have to minimize because it's evil and reduce damage as much as possible. We have to instead start to see human activity, or at least look for human activity, that is what we call regenerative. Because we've spent so much time trying to just reduce harm, we haven't focused on this question of creating positive good. But this is the new agenda. This is the sustainability agenda I think we should be pursuing. If we can't find a story that is motivating, that is energizing, that people want to belong to and be part of, we're going to fail at achieving sustainability, I believe.
You never heard of recycling? It means to reuse things to conserve our natural resources.
Oh, so Mother Nature needs a favor. Well, maybe she should have thought of that when she was besetting us with droughts and floods and poison monkeys. Nature started the fight for survival, and now she wants to quit because she's losing, well, I say, hard cheese.
But nature's not our enemy.
Sure, we are not stopping people globally from meeting their needs.
At the center of the idea of sustainability, I think, is an ethical imperative to pass on an undiminished future to our children.